There it goes. There it goes. Oh, there I go. I knew it didn't happen. All right, y'all. I'm here with my son-in-law on this cold day. We're gonna try to catch some bait because we forgot the bait at the house. We'll do some catfishing, but we brought us some smaller, lighter tackle, see if we can catch anything. Unfortunately, we having no luck catching anything, so we're gonna try to catch some bait. A couple cast nets with my son-in-law Abel, and we're gonna go catfishing. One gentleman did catch a really nice hybrid from up there, but it's kind of crowded, so we're just gonna catch some bait because he forgot the bait in the freezer. I forgot the goddamn bait. That's all right. One throw's all I'm gonna need. Watch. Y'all ready, y'all?
Oh,
look at that. Look at that. Oh, they're babies though. Oh, I hate those baby ones.
Good for me.
You need some bigger ones. Just a couple big ones. All right, I'm gonna go for the big boys, y'all. See if they're over there on the wall. Please give me some big shad. Big shad. Oh, bigger shad, son. Bigger shad. Ooh, there's a bass. No, that's a shad.
Oh, you did get the bigger ones.
Yeah, I need to get them out of here though. Get the bigger ones. Let the smaller ones go.
Or just make them, put them up in the net.
Put them in yours. Yeah, I'm not keeping small ones. If you throw in that corner, Mijo, right there, that's for them big ones.
Where at?
Right in the corner.
Right in the corner?
Yeah. See where I hit the splash?
Yeah.
No, I only kept like 6 out of all of these. Yeah, I'm only keeping the big ones. So 4 poles, so we need at least 24 baits. Plus, I'm gonna grab that drum. This one's nice. But you should keep some to when you go channel cat again. Here comes somebody. Huh? Nada? Woo. Catching some nice baits, y'all. Check it out. We're sifting through them, just keeping the bigger ones. We only got 4 big catfish poles, and I'm sure my son-in-law throw some smaller baits in there. All right, y'all, we came to my secret spot that's not too secret. Yeah, there's tons of them. I'm out of breath. A long walk. We'll try to some catfish. We did get some good bait over there, and we'll try it here for a while, see what happens. I've always had great luck year over the years, so let's give it a go. Check it out, y'all. Been here a few minutes. I already caught a sandy. Heck yeah. I was just telling about a story about a little kid about 4 years ago. Nice, posted up and he caught a nice. He caught a hybrid, son.
Yeah.
Yeah, right over there. Heck yeah. All right, y'all, got 1 pole in. Here's my second one. Here's a little bait that I'm going to use. All right, y'all, we are set up and ready for some action. We got 3 poles there. Current's kicking. Walking to this one and there's something happening. Current's moving it. And I got one on this side, and my son-in-law is walking the bank. He caught a nice little sandy. All right, I might have to put some more weight on these bad boys. There it goes, y'all. There it goes. There it goes. Oh, there I go. I knew it didn't happen. Oh, I got water in my boot, y'all. Dang it. Here he comes. All right. Got a nice fish, y'all. Oh, man. My hip. I hit my hip. Oh, man. Come on, baby. Come on. All right, y'all. Got me a blooper for today. This pole's been in the water just a second. Oh, man. My side is throbbing, but hey, I got a fish. That's all that matters. That's a nice fish too. Nice fish. Come on, baby. Yeah.
Catfish or gar?
A nice cat. I just fell nasty though. Yeah. Oh, I slammed right into the pole. That's about a big boy. On the piece of perch tail. There you go. Nice fish. Yeah, I fell down in the bag right here. Uh-oh. Look at that thing. Nice. Beautiful, yo. Woo! Grab it. Yeah. Grab it, buddy. Come on. Don't fall like I did. Uh-oh. Here we go. Here we go. That sucker took it. Ooh. Ooh. Make sure the nice. Woo, head shakes. I can see him. Heck yeah, y'all. Fish number 4 if we land it. Heck yeah, son. That sucker got hammered. Sucker hammered it. I was just looking at it, so my son-in-law had to run from way over there. Woo! Right there where he's fighting, that's where the bank is. That ledge. Nice. Nice. See, we get a breach, y'all. Let's get a breach, y'all. He's a big old cat. From the way he's post shaking. Yeah, if he wants to leave, let him leave. Drag's not too tight, is it?
Yeah, I think the drag's a little too.
Here it is, y'all. About to see him. About to see him. Woo! That's a nice little cat. Oh. Another one. Here we go. Other one. 2 double fisting it. Oh. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's worry about this one. We'll worry about this one. Oh, he's on there. Look. No, it might be the current.
He's taking drag now. Look at him.
Woo! Let's listen, y'all. Hear that? Nice. Let him do his thing. Uh-oh. Almost had a double of that. Was nice.
Oh, man.
All right, y'all. There he is. I should have brought my other boots. I could have got in there. Yep, let him do his thing till he's ready. My other boots I could have got in. He's hovering on that ledge.
Yep.
Woo! Look at that, y'all. Heck yeah, y'all. Nice fish. Look at this, y'all. Nice. That's a big boy. Check it out, y'all. My son-in-law got a big beast. Look at that. He's fighting it. It's that double hook. All right. Let's get him, y'all. I got you. Whew. Let me squeeze in there. Should be hooked good. Oh, yeah, he's hooked good. So there you go. Come on, buddy. Come on. What the hell? Flip over. Ah! There you go. There it is. Oop, there it is. Look at that thing, y'all. I'll let him grab it. Look at that, y'all. Look at that sucker. Look at that, y'all. Hold on, stay right there, son. Ready? Let me see. Look at that, y'all. Look at that sucker. Heck yeah. All right, y'all. Turn this off while we unhook him. Get that bait bed in the water. We'll weigh him in a second. All right, y'all, that big fish that's right over there with my son-in-law, we're about to weigh it, but this is how it was hooked on a little stinger setup. He was hooked on that top hook. So before we weigh him, I'm gonna throw the bait out. Can't catch no fish unless that bait's in the water. Can't catch him from the house, yo. Whoa, almost bit it again. Almost. Yeah, I ain't coming down here anymore. Now, y'all, he's gonna weigh his fish. Turn it on. There you go for all you disbelievers. It's at 0. Alright. Holy crap. Wow. Look at that, y'all. It clicked on 22.88. Nice. Heck yeah, son. Heck yeah. Nice. Well, yeah, we got something that's mad that he's hooked.
There's a gar right here coming too. It is a gar, Pops.
It is a gar?
Yep, it is a gar.
Yeah, I was like, it's mad. Dang it. Got us a little longnose. Please come off, come off. Ooh, he all wrapped in there. That's a big one too. A little feisty sucker.
Is that good?
He's wrapped. If he gets off, he's really wrapped big time.
Oh shit.
Hardcore.
Let me get the pliers.
I don't know, yeah.
What'll work?
I got pliers in the front pocket, I think. Yeah.
See if I can pull out of this.
Alright, we got that tangled mess done. That's a nice little long nose. Taking all the back. Oh no! What are the odds of that happening? Jesus. Good Lord, what's the odds of that? Crazy.
Let me push him in the water.
He's almost there.
Spook him. Come on, go. You're not done yet. Go. He's gone.
Well, y'all, there was some sand bass over there doing some ruckus. So my son-in-law went up there and caught 2 of them, a keeper and a smaller one. It was weird because they were just blowing up that one little spot. As for catfish, not much has really happened except for some little pesky turtles. But we're still giving it a go. And right on the other side of my son-in-law there, my buddy Chris is over there. So we're trying, y'all. Heck yeah, y'all. Abel over here, look at, I don't know if you can see that. He keeps, the sand bass keep like, I don't know, they're like hanging out in this one area. I don't know if they're spawning there or what, but every time he sees them blow up, he comes and throws them in. Watch, so he catches another one. And he'll snatch one out of there. It's like his 3rd one. See, there it is, y'all. Took 2 more casts and now that's a pretty cool. He's already got a whole bunch on the string over here. What's up, everybody? It's a wrap for us. We met a gentleman, Juan, out today. What's up, brother? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So we got some nice fish here. We're about to fillet. My son-in-law put a hurting on them sandies. Check it out. So yeah, it was a pretty good day. We used fresh shad and he was using some jigs for the sandies. So as always, be safe. We'll see you on the water.